don't know. Maybe I can't. I thought.
Have it on here. It's out of the way.
They're so big though. Oh wow.
There's 5 wire fences. What are they trying to keep out? Huh?
Probably orangutans.
Orangutans?
Probably angry, lethal.
Maybe gorillas?
Rabies, gorillas.
Or raptors?
Very good.
Nah.
Yes or no?
Yes!
Okay, somebody say no. Okay. Tomorrow. Mira, ahí mismo el frente tuyo pegado. 3.
1, 2, 3.
Green and purple.
How was it, Em?
It was awesome! Let's see.
Logo.
Alright, let's do this! Woo! Let's go! I didn't get you lying down.
Okay, I got you. 1, 2, 3. Next. Up here, up. 1, 2, 3. One step and jump. Come on, let's go! Lean back.
Yeah. How big are they?
Good size.
Nice.
Look at those. That's really cool. Super green. This one's more green, but this one has more green on it, but this one is more.